Twitch TV series. Twitch is an American reality television show which ran between 1995 and 1997 and was the first nationally broadcast weekly video game review show, a predecessor for such shows as Attack of the Show and GameTrailers TV. It was created and produced by Unity Entertainment based out of Denver, Colorado, and was a staple program for the television network as it was known in 1995 as its chief nationwide distributor. Cancellation. The series ended after its distributor TV was bought out and its entire programming block replaced with an all-movie format under the Encoreplex banner at the start of the year in 1997. Cast and crew. Host Matt Gallant, Director various Executive producer Jim Berger. Cinematography Robert F. Smith. Film editor Chris Offutt. Production design Chris Jones. Stunts Tim D. Arnick.